everybody. I am Sakorii Whiteman, a junior hospitality management major, and I humbly serve as the National Membership Director for NSNH. The HMGT program pours into their students. They allow you to focus on whatever aspect of the hospitality industry as you want, and they will make sure they pair you up with whoever you need to be to achieve your career goals. To go back to NSNH, they pair you up with industry leaders who look like us, who look like you, who look like the people on this campus. It makes me feel seen. It makes me feel like I am wanted here, I am valued here, and everything that I'm doing is for the betterment of not only myself, but my community as well.
What would be a message that you would give the students who may be thinking about joining hospitality management?
Take the opportunity. I will gladly say that you have to take the opportunity. You don't have to know exactly where you want to be, but take the opportunity to grow, develop, and ensure your future as a student here at Virginia State University.